Brad Williams, XL Prime. Find the highest price based on color and vehicle. Very straightforward. We're going to have a couple of different variables, if you will. We're going to have car, color, and vehicle. We want to check to see if we can find any match. And if so, give us the highest cost. Well, we can use a number of different options. We can use MAXIFS. We can use MAX. We can use IFS or MAXIFS. Here, we're going to use this logical test. If color, car color 232. Here is our name range 1, which is B5 to B12, car color. If it equals G5, if, logical test, if vehicle, and we have vehicle 232, equals H5, in other words, it's true and true, then give us the cost. We don't have a cost. Did F9? No match. And again, no match for our first example. Look for white. Look for white. Look for Jeep. White Jeep 72766. Here is another example using pretty much the same thing. If you want to include down here, you can use this MAXIF provided you have the right Excel application. Here is the narrative. Read it. If you want to break it down, you can break this thing down to the nth degree. Mix it up if you want. In I5, this is the formula. Notice Control-Shift-Enter on older versions of Excel. And here's the map. What do I mean by map? You can just go through here. Max. Then here is Max's argument. Here's the first argument, and that's the argument. Is there a second argument? No. We break it down even more. We go to the if, and you're going to have this logical test, your value of true. That's the mapping. And then again, we have the narrative. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.